Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the DailyObjects Trinity wireless charging station. On the front of the box we have an image of the device charging various other devices. On the bottom we have a few of the salient features which include Qi compatibility, 15-watt fast charging facility, charges 3 devices at once, multiple protection methods and smart chip. On the left hand side of the box we have the website for the brand. On the right hand side it's the same as the left. Up top we have the name of the product, which is Trinity wireless charging station, and there's nothing on the bottom. The back of the box has a little description of the product up top. Over here is a little elaboration about the features that we already told you about on the front. And over here we have a few of the technical specifications, like the materials used, which are ABS plastic and leather, the product size, which is 168 by 220 millimeters, net weight of 260 grams, input voltage of 5 volts at 3 amps and 9 volts at 2 amps. Output wattage for the watch is 2 watts, output wattage for the earbuds are 5 watts, and output wattage for the phone is 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts and 15 watts. Over here we can see that the product is also designed in India. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the charging station itself and the power supply cable. This cable has a USB Type-A interface on one end and a USB Type-C interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 38 inches long. The charging station has a black and grey color theme going for it. The black surface is a nice leatherite finish and the grey surfaces are plastic. Over here is the DailyObjects branding, and there are also a couple of indicators telling you where to keep your devices in order for it to charge. The Apple Watch charger pops out like this. The back simply has 4 anti-skid pads and some of the specifications that we already read off from the box. The top side has the USB Type-C charging port that provides power to charge various devices for this product. So let's see it in action now. So here we have a power strip and a couple of wireless charging devices. So let's try them out. As you can see, the moment we kept the smartphone on the device, it started to charge it. And that's about it for this product. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.